The following video will walk through best practice considerations for installing and maintaining your automatic control valve. An automatic control valve serves a specific function to reduce high incoming water pressure to a low outgoing pressure. As a result, installation of the valve is critically dependent on the direction of flow. Every valve includes a direction of flow arrow to ensure proper orientation during installation. Before installation, be sure to flush the plumbing lines to prevent any trapped debris from entering the valve. Installing upstream and downstream isolation valves will assist with valve maintenance. While the upstream isolation valve is a requirement of any installation, we encourage the addition of a downstream isolation valve to further assist in maintaining the valve. Also consider any isolation valves upstream or downstream require sufficient distance so that they won't affect operation, typically 3 to 5 pipe diameters between valve and shutoff. Shutoff style matters. Butterfly valves need to be separated out far enough so that when the valve is closed, the disc won't contact the main body of the ACV and potentially prevent the shutoff from closing. We also recommend the installation of upstream and downstream pressure gauges on the plumbing line. Gauge ports are also available on the reverse of the valve. It's not recommended to install a gauge off the valve cover, as this will only display the pressure reading off of the cover, not how the ACV is affecting the downstream pressure. To review, ensure the direction of flow marker matches the direction of system flow before installation. Flush your plumbing system prior to installation. Install upstream and downstream isolation valves to simplify future maintenance. Add upstream and downstream gauges to monitor pressure. Regular inspection and maintenance of the valve will ensure continued operation of the system. The following videos in this series will discuss startup and maintenance procedures to be considered when servicing your ACV.